Namaskar, you are watching Seri story. This time we are going to show you a pest which is now become a threat to Ericulture. ERI Silkworm can feed by more than 30 numbers of plants. That's why it's called Heteropranax. Its primary food plant is Kesseru and other you may say as secondary food plant. But in the secondary food plant, Kesseru plant Heteropranax fragance is widely used by the ERI farmers because of its availability and stability of food foliage production. The insect's name Bibasis Gomata under family Hesperidae in order Lepidoptera found feeding and curling Kesseru leaf at the area's Kesseru field. As per Wikipedia, the worms are found in India, China, Malaya Peninsula and South Asian countries. The larva is cream colored which have black spot on head and also on surface. The larva emitted white gummy substance to roll the leaves first and after that they start to eat the leaf. The Bibasis Gomata is mainly known as a beautiful butterfly, but recently we have seen that these worms are fed voraciously on Kesseru leaves. The insect has a life cycle as like silkworm. It have larval stage, pupal stage, moth stage and also seed stage. The CMERT scientist Rajesh Kumar and his colleague Pitireka Sutia, Binita Gogoi, Mustaq Ahmed and G. Rajkhwa has done a paper on it. You can find the details of this insect in there, but still there is no precaution method developed for areas who have Kesseru plant field to protect their foliage capacity, which are they kept for ERI worms. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.